أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وكذلك نصرف الآيات وليقولوا درست ولنبينه لقوم يعلمون.
We thus diversify the revelations, lest they say, you have studied, and to clarify them for people who know.
اتبع ما أوحي إليك من ربك لا إله إلا هو وأعرض عن المشركين.
Follow what was revealed to you from your Lord, there is no God but He, and turn away from the polytheists.
ولو شاء الله ما أشركوا وما جعلناك عليهم حفيظا وما أنت عليهم بوكيل.
Had Allah willed, they would not have practiced idolatry. We did not appoint you as a guardian over them, and you are not a manager over them.
ولا تسبوا الذين يدعون من دون الله فيسبوا الله عدوا بغير علم. كذلك زينا لكل أمة عملهم ثم إلى ربهم مرجعهم فينبئهم بما كانوا يعملون.
Do not insult those they call upon besides Allah, lest they insult Allah out of hostility and ignorance. We made attractive to every community their deeds, then to their Lord is their return, and He will inform them of what they used to do.